Welcome to our Wood and Metal Crafts and Furniture Ideas channel, where craftsmanship meets creativity and every design inspires you to turn imagination into meaningful, income-ready creations. Today, we explore a powerful concept that blends simplicity with profitability: architectural wooden pieces that transform minimalism into money. In a world where clutter is being replaced by clean lines and intentional design, minimalism has become more than just a trend. It's a lifestyle. And within that lifestyle lies a growing market of buyers who are willing to invest in furniture and decor that reflects clarity, elegance, and purpose. This video will guide you through how simple wooden designs, when crafted with precision and vision, can become high-value products that attract attention, command premium pricing, and build a steady income stream. Minimalism is often misunderstood as doing less, but in reality, it's about doing more with less. It is the art of removing excess while enhancing what truly matters. In woodworking, this translates into clean lines, balanced proportions, and a focus on the natural beauty of the material itself. When you master the ability to simplify design without reducing value, you unlock a powerful advantage in the market. Customers today are not just buying furniture. They are buying a feeling, a sense of calm, order, and sophistication that minimal design brings into their homes. Architectural wooden pieces take this concept even further by combining structure and artistry. These are not just functional items. They are statement pieces that define a space. Think of a floating wooden shelf that appears to defy gravity, or a sleek console table with perfectly aligned edges and hidden joints. These designs are simple in appearance, but require careful planning and precision in execution. That balance between simplicity and skill is exactly what creates value. One of the strongest advantages of minimalist wooden pieces is their versatility. A well-designed item can fit into multiple interior styles: modern, Scandinavian, industrial, or even traditional spaces with a contemporary twist. This flexibility expands your potential customer base significantly. Instead of creating niche products that appeal to a limited audience, minimalist designs allow you to reach a wider market while maintaining a premium feel. Material selection plays a critical role in this process. Since minimalist designs expose more of the wood itself, imperfections become more visible. This means choosing high-quality timber with consistent grain and minimal defects is essential. Woods like oak, walnut, and ash are particularly popular because of their durability and natural beauty. The grain patterns become part of the design, eliminating the need for excessive decoration. In this case, the material itself becomes the feature that sells the product. Precision is everything when working with architectural pieces. Because the designs rely on clean lines and exact measurements, even small errors can disrupt the entire aesthetic. Accurate cutting, smooth joints, and perfect alignment are non-negotiable. Investing time in proper measurement and careful assembly ensures that the final product looks refined and professional. In minimalism, perfection is not optional. It is the standard that defines whether a piece feels premium or ordinary. Another key factor is functionality. Minimalist designs often prioritize efficiency and usability. A wall-mounted desk that folds away when not in use, or a modular shelving system that adapts to different spaces, adds practical value to the aesthetic appeal. Buyers are increasingly drawn to furniture that not only looks good, but also serves multiple purposes. By incorporating functionality into your designs, you create products that stand out in a competitive market. Finishing techniques also play a crucial role in transforming a simple piece into a high-value product. Instead of heavy coatings or bold colors, minimalist furniture often uses natural finishes that highlight the wood's texture. Oils and matte varnishes are popular choices because they enhance the grain while maintaining a clean, modern look. The goal is to create a surface that feels smooth, looks refined, and invites touch. This subtle elegance is what attracts buyers and justifies higher pricing. From a business perspective, minimalist wooden pieces offer a unique advantage in production efficiency. Because the designs are less complex, they often require fewer materials and less time to produce compared to highly detailed furniture. This reduces costs while maintaining a high perceived value. When you combine lower production costs with premium pricing, you create a strong profit margin that can sustain and grow your business. Marketing these products effectively is just as important as crafting them. Minimalist furniture thrives on visual presentation. Clean, well-lit photography that highlights the design and texture of the wood can significantly impact how your products are perceived. Staging your pieces in simple, uncluttered environments allows potential buyers to imagine how they would look in their own spaces. This emotional connection often leads to quicker purchasing decisions. Storytelling can further enhance your brand. Sharing the inspiration behind your designs, the materials you use, and the craftsmanship involved adds depth to your products. Customers appreciate transparency and authenticity, especially when investing in handcrafted items. By communicating the thought and effort behind each piece, you elevate your brand from a simple seller to a creator of meaningful objects. Pricing strategy is another important aspect to consider. Minimalist designs often appear simple, which can sometimes lead customers to underestimate their value. It is important to educate your audience on the craftsmanship, materials, and design principles that go into each piece. This helps justify your pricing and positions your products as premium offerings. Remember, you are not selling just wood. You are selling design, functionality, and an experience. Scaling your business with minimalist wooden pieces is also more achievable than many other woodworking niches. Once you refine a design that sells well, it can be reproduced with consistency, allowing you to increase output without compromising quality. Creating a small collection of signature pieces can establish a recognizable brand identity, making it easier for customers to remember and recommend your work. Another opportunity lies in customization. Offering variations in size, finish, or configuration allows customers to tailor products to their specific needs. This not only increases customer satisfaction, but also opens the door to higher pricing. People are often willing to pay more for items that feel personalized and unique to their space. We put a lot of effort in compiling this video. Please consider subscribing. Hit the like button and notification bell so you don't miss our uploads. As you explore the world of architectural wooden pieces, remember that simplicity holds immense power. By combining thoughtful design, precise craftsmanship, and smart marketing, you can turn minimalist creations into a reliable and profitable income stream. Each piece you create has the potential to transform not just a space, but also your journey as a craftsman, bringing you closer to a life built on creativity, purpose, and financial growth.